In today's video, I'll teach you how to post live photos on Instagram story. First of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to post a live photo, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, your story, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to upload the story. Now over here what you have to do is simply select the live photo that you would like to post. The live photos will only be available in the Apple devices. I'm using the Android right now, but I'll tell you what to do. Simply tap on the live photo that you would like to upload. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to upload the story. If you're using the Apple devices, right over here you'll be able to see the boomerang icon. It will look like the infinity. Simply tap on it. After you do that, tap on the option your story that you can see on the screen. Now your story will be uploaded and the live photo will be uploaded in the story, and it will move whenever somebody sees your story. So like this you'll be able to upload the live photo. So that is how you upload live photo on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.